Look up at the night sky. Some of those twinkling points aren't stars. They're asteroids, ancient relics from the birth of our solar system. These asteroids are treasure chests, holding more wealth than all the gold ever mined on Earth. We're on the brink of a new gold rush, not in California, but in the silent darkness of space. The first trillionaire won't make their fortune on Earth, but among the stars. This isn't science fiction. The technology is being built, and the missions are being planned right now. Imagine a single asteroid, a few hundred meters across, containing more platinum than humanity has ever mined. Enough iron and nickel to build entire cities. These rocks are the building blocks of our future. The cosmic lottery is real, and humanity is about to buy its first ticket. The question isn't if we'll mine asteroids, but who will get there first. On Earth, resources are limited. In space, they're practically infinite. Millions of asteroids orbit our sun, filled with the heavy elements that formed planets. By mining them, we tap into the raw materials of a planet that never was. This is more than a quest for wealth, it's a leap in our evolution. For millennia, we've been bound to Earth. Now we're becoming a cosmic species. We're learning to live and work in space, reaching out to grasp the universe with our own hands. The journey to the asteroids is a journey into our future. It's a test of our courage, ingenuity, and wisdom. The riches of the universe are waiting. They will belong to those bold enough to go and get them. The new gold rush has begun. Our first space miners won't be human. They'll be machines. Space is harsh, deadly radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeoroids make it too dangerous and expensive for people. Advanced robots, powered by artificial intelligence, will be our pioneers. These machines will think for themselves, solve problems, and make decisions millions of miles from Earth. They'll be autonomous, smart, and self-sufficient. Imagine a robotic team: scouts mapping the asteroid, diggers breaking rock, collectors gathering material, and processors refining metals. Each robot has a job, all coordinated by a central AI. Robotics gives us the muscle, AI gives us the brains. We've seen glimpses of this on Mars with rovers like Perseverance. Asteroid miners will be their bigger, smarter descendants. These tools will unlock the wealth of the cosmos. The age of robotic pioneers is here. How do you mine a mountain of rock hurtling through space? The basics are simple, but the challenge is immense. First, a robotic spacecraft travels to the asteroid and docks using harpoons or clamps. Once attached, mining begins. Surface mining scrapes and drills the outer layers, collecting valuable regolith. Shaft mining drills deep to reach dense metallic cores. The bag and heat method captures small asteroids in giant bags, then heats them to extract water and metals. Processing happens on site. Solar furnaces melt rock, separating heavy metals from slag. Purified metals are formed into ingots for the journey home, or used in space to build new ships and habitats. The goal: use the resources of the cosmos to expand our presence beyond Earth. Every method is about efficiency, bringing back only what's valuable. The technology is evolving fast. The first asteroid mines will be robotic factories, turning cosmic rubble into the foundation of our future. The blueprint for space industry is being drawn now. Space mining isn't just a dream, it's already begun. NASA's OSIRIS-REx and Japan's Hayabusa 2 have traveled to asteroids, collected samples, and brought them home. These missions proved we can reach, touch, and return material from asteroids. They're the first geological surveys of a new world, teaching us what's out there. Private companies like Astroforge and Transastra are racing to build the first commercial asteroid mines. They're testing prototypes, raising funds, and moving faster than government agencies. The promise of profit is fueling innovation, just as it did in past ages of exploration. Public science and private enterprise are joining forces. The momentum is real. The age of the space pioneer is here. The race for the riches of the cosmos is underway. The resources in the asteroid belt are worth more than we can imagine. A single metallic asteroid could hold more iron than Earth produces in a year, and more platinum than has ever been mined. The value is in the trillions, even quintillions of dollars. But flooding Earth with these metals would crash the market. The real power lies in controlling the supply chain. The first to master asteroid mining will hold economic power beyond any nation. The first trillionaire will be made in space. This wealth could fund cities, colonies, and projects on a scale we've never seen. The next decade is about perfecting technology. The decade after, about commercial operations. Within a generation, space mining will move from dream to reality. The first trillionaire may already be alive today. The stakes are enormous. The countdown has begun. Space resources won't just make a few people rich. They'll rewrite the global economy. When platinum from asteroids becomes as cheap as aluminum, technology will leap forward. We'll build massive structures in orbit, solar power satellites, and interplanetary ships, without launching every part from Earth. Entirely new industries will emerge: zero-gravity manufacturing, asteroid futures trading, and interplanetary logistics. Millions of new jobs will be created, from AI ethicists to space lawyers. But this transition will be disruptive. Earth's mining industries could collapse, and economies built on scarcity may falter. National currencies and global markets will be shaken. Some fortunes will vanish, others will rise from cosmic dust. It will be a turbulent era of creative destruction. The old world of limits will give way to a new world of abundance. The economic revolution of the cosmos is coming. The path to space mining is filled with danger. Rockets can fail, and robotic miners face radiation, micrometeoroids, and cosmic hazards. A single mistake could destroy $1 billion operation. Economic risks are just as real. Bringing back too much platinum could crash the market. Space miners may need to control supply, forming cartels to stabilize prices. Monopoly over asteroid resources could spark new conflicts, not over land, but over the shipping lanes of space. Environmental risks are unknown. Mining could create hazardous debris or alter asteroid orbits. We're making our first industrial mark on the solar system. We must proceed with caution and responsibility. Who owns the asteroids? The Outer Space Treaty says space belongs to all humanity, but it's silent on private mining. The legal landscape is a wild west. The US and Luxembourg have passed laws granting companies rights to what they extract. This encourages investment, but it's controversial. Some argue space wealth should benefit all, not just the few with the technology to reach it. Calls are growing for a new international treaty to manage space resources for the common good. The future of space law will shape our destiny. We'll need new global cooperation, new rules, and new institutions. The laws we write now will echo for centuries. The rules of the cosmos are ours to create. We stand at a turning point in human history. For millennia, we've been bound to Earth. Now, we look to the stars as our next frontier. Mining asteroids is more than an economic opportunity. It's a leap toward becoming a cosmic species. The challenges are immense: technological, financial, and ethical. There will be failures and setbacks, but the pull of the frontier is strong. The first space trillionaires will symbolize this transformation. But the real story is about expanding human potential, building a civilization no longer limited by scarcity. As we work and live in space, our perspective will shift. The universe offers us a future of abundance if our wisdom can keep pace with our power. The question is not just can we do it, but can we do it wisely? Our cosmic destiny is in our hands.